Do you want to start playing Starving Artist? Here is how you do so. It works on iPhone, Android, and PC. First, you want to go ahead and click on the search bar. You want to search up Starving Artist. And now you're going to click on this one right here. Click on it. Make sure it's the right one with the 322 million right there. Could be higher, and make sure it has the high players playing it. There are some copies here with only 2 players playing or no players playing. Make sure that you're doing the right one here. Make sure it is the one by Double Bandit Studios and click play. Now that you're in the game, you're going to begin playing it. If you do not have 10 Robux to start, you cannot play the game. You have to have 10 Robux to be able to create your own shirts. Thank you for watching.